Hey everyone, on today's segment I'm going to make my own tomato sauce. These tomatoes were plucked right out of my own backyard oasis, at least that's what I like to refer to. And they do look a little bruised, but that's okay because once they go into the pot, the skin comes right off. Before prepping the tomatoes, make sure that they're thoroughly washed, and the riper the tomatoes, the easier it is to peel them after blanching. Using a sharp knife, make a small X or shallow cut at the bottom, and then carefully remove the stem end. I prefer half a cup of water as opposed to a pot full. Just enough so the water begins to steam. Place the lid on the pot and allow it to steam for about 5 minutes on high heat. After 5 minutes, the skin should easily peel off. If not, then place the lid back on the pot and allow it to boil for another 2 minutes. As an optional step, you could use a slotted spoon or tongs, remove the tomatoes from the boiling water, and immediately immerse them in a bowl of ice water. This rapid cooling process halts the cooking and it helps the skin to contract, making them easier to peel. Personally, I avoid that additional step. I allow the tomatoes to cool naturally and don't have any problems peeling the skin. After peeling the skin, give the tomatoes a rough chop and place them in a separate bowl. That bowl right there is just a quarter of the tomatoes. Now for the remainder of our ingredients. I'll dice 1 onion and mince a few cloves of garlic. Add a generous amount of olive oil to a pot on medium heat. Add the onions and allow them to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. Add the garlic and spices. I like to add a small amount of sugar to my tomato sauce. It helps to balance out the acidity and kind of mellows out the sharpness of the tomatoes, making the sauce taste smoother and less tangy. But of course, that's my personal preference. Finally, I'll cook the sauce on low heat, uncovered, for about an hour to an hour and 20 minutes, stirring every 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to marry up, and this low and slow cooking allows the sauce to reduce gradually. As the liquid evaporates, the flavors become more intensified and concentrated, and the reduction process can also thicken the sauce naturally. Thank you again for watching this segment, and if you like what you just saw, drop me a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.